Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy ICH3 Tech, aka Tech SRT. Maybe changing the name to Tech Garage. I think I might change it to that. You guys leave a comment below for that. But guys, what I do on my video, I do tech, also cars, and I'm getting into car reviews and technology. I do a lot of stuff with that, with tech. I am sitting in here in the giveaway car. I'm actually going to be detailing that. I got most of all my detail supplies and steam cleaners and everything else. Actually, I am sitting in the Monte Carlos SS Darren Earnhardt Jr. edition. I can show you, this is the one Darren Earnhardt edition, because this is the version, this version here. With the supercharger, Darren Earnhardt Jr. right there on the dash. Signature. This one, I think it got between 200 to 300 horsepower. It's actually pretty fast. I'm actually going to do some mods and everything else like that, but I'm giving away this car. You guys, I'm gonna do like entries, so you guys can tell me like what I should do. But right now I am taking it to go get the air conditioner fixed, because I got the one part of the air conditioner fixed, but it actually is not blowing cold air. So I'm actually taking it now to get fixed. So stay tuned for that. Next video I'll be hitting you guys back. So I'll get right back to you guys in the next part of this video. But stay tuned, and I'll catch y'all back in a minute. All right, I'm back, y'all. I'm just gonna show you here. I gotta do the tail lights, and I'm just giving you a quick video on the mods. I did the rims, and this is the main one I did here, is the tinted windows. I'm just giving you a really look around, because this is going to be you working with me to wrap this car, mod it, and do some more things to it. And actually, we are going to be giving this one away. So tell me your thoughts about it. Lucky Wheels and Deals, you know, shout out to him, to Lucky, on this car. Because, you know, I bought this one already. And before I started watching them, I've always been a Monte Carlos fan, because it's one of my dream cars, like when I was younger. I love Chevy cars. I love, you know, everything Chevy. But I am a Mopar car guy too. But you guys tell me your thoughts. What should we do? What wrap should we do? What color we should do? But I'm just giving you a quick run around of the car. Just everything on it. And I do have the Monte Carlos sign right there. Everything on it. I am going to be probably wet sanding this whole roof thing here, because I do mobile detailing and regular details. So that's what I do on my side business. That's why it takes me so long to do videos. So I am going to be wet sanding, not putting that regular black. But anything is wrong with it, I just got the air conditioner fixed. Everything else, so the air conditioner will blow good. So I just want you to get your thoughts, what you think about it, what you like about it. And yeah, I'm getting that little dent out. I'm getting that out. I just got to pop that out real quick. So I don't know what happened when I got it. But this car looked pretty good, and it's nice. You guys tell me what you think. And this wing is actually amazing. Like, look at that. I think Chevy should remake this car. But you guys tell me what you think with the wheels on it. Should we do different wheels, different color, whatever? But you guys let me know, and leave a comment below. And actually, we're gonna get right back to the other part of the video, but I just wanted to give a quick walk around. You tell me what your thoughts and everything else. Peace. Hey, what's up, YouTube? I'm back from doing a little panoramic, you know, basically just, you know, little side thing. But you guys tell me what y'all think. What other mods should we do to this car? I'm thinking about engine swapping this car. I'm not for sure, but this is actually a really beautiful car. I only got 99,000 miles on it. I was just finishing up the vlog on here. You guys, I just wanted to give you a quick walk around what the giveaway car is going to look like. Once we reach the close to 5,000 subscribers, and also if you could help the SRT Tech SRT channel, I'm gonna leave a link below on this channel on here to get to 1,000 subscribers. And you know, watch out, because I'm gonna be doing a lot of automotive on that one. But this channel, I'm doing a little bit of that, but you know, I do tech on this one and gaming. So I want to keep this one tech and gaming and do that one automotive. So I'm gonna be putting it on both platforms until I reach my top part on that channel. You guys let me know what we should do. Should I just leave content on this side and keep doing videos with cars on this channel, or should I just, you know, start moving it over to the Tech SRT? But I get a lot of eyes turns, a lot of looks with this car. I love this MC, you know, like Lucky Wheels and Deals. That's my boy. You know, I've always been a Monte Carlos fan, and you know, things like that. But you guys, let me know in the comment below. Let's talk. Let's get the game going. Merch will be coming, because I want you guys to tell me what type of giveaway you want me to do. You want me to do it in, you know, entries. You just buy an entry, and you know, I just pick a winner. Whoever put in there saying they're done when they put in the entry for it. Or should I just do merch, where you just buy the merch and everything else? You guys tell me how you want to do this giveaway, because there's more giveaways I'm gonna do. I'm actually gonna be doing more cars. This is just my first start in my plateau on my channel, so that I'm gonna just do this car first, and then do more. Actually, I really don't want to get rid of it, because I love this car, but I know I can find another one to rebuild it and everything else. So this car I really was rebuilding. I got it, you know, and it pretty much wasn't really working. It was drivable, but it had a lot of problems, you know, brake lines and stuff like that. So I fixed everything and got everything to par. But I wanted to give away to someone that's love cars, and you know, maybe could do a little bit more content on this stuff. But I am going, like I said before in the beginning, I am going to be detailing this, getting this stuff together, because like I said before, I have a detail business, so that's what takes me so long with some of the videos. But I'm trying to get an upload a lot more. And yeah, time to get a haircut, and you know, I hope this stuff go away soon, so we can go back to our normal life. But I want, you know, tell you guys to stay strong, keep doing your thing, and don't give up on your dreams of what you want to do. You know I ain't the biggest YouTuber and everything else, but I'm not gonna give up. I'm gonna keep working hard for you guys and make this great content for you guys. It's you know, it's great content for you guys. I'm trying to reach my plateau and everything else. But like, comment, subscribe. I catch you on the next video. I know the sun is beaming. I know I got the tint, but it's still not. I might have to change the tint. But like, comment, subscribe, and I catch y'all guys in the next video. And stay tuned. Giveaway coming. And you guys leave a comment below. Peace.